It was good. Welcome back. Live from Jes Kings World on my hip hop ish. We present to you Stick to Your Ribs. We bring you nothing but the dopest records from the dopest artists, dopest MCs with stellar pens. But we also bring you dope reads. What is a dope read? You ask me, what is a dope read on Stick to Your Ribs? A dope read is a dope book. It provokes thought. It provokes emotion. The only difference is you gotta read it. You gotta read it. We tap into our books as well. So check this out. I'm getting ready to show you a book that I just got in the mail that I'm getting ready to tap into. And we will be doing a new segment, branching off from Stick to Your Ribs, where we will be reading the chapters of the book. And we can talk about it at the end. We can discuss. But all in all, we're going to receive the knowledge and go from there. See how this goes. But check this out. The book that I have right now that I just got in the mail comes from my good brother, Chainz. The name of the book is The Voice in My Head is God. Now, that's definitely believable and true. You got to know that. That's not a myth. That's a fact. The fact that you can close your eyes, you can think of something right now, and you can answer yourself. Who do you think talking back to you? That's yourself. That's you. God is within you. You're made in the flesh. You're made in His image. So you are God. God body. You understand? But we getting ready to tap into this book, man. I can't wait. Ever since I seen the promotion about it, I said I got to get this book, and I can't wait to tap into this book. We're gonna read this book together. It's not even a long book, man. It looks like it has about roughly, I don't know, maybe 200 pages, like 205 pages. No, let's see, 206 pages with the acknowledgments. So we're gonna read this book. We're gonna see what this is about. It looks like it's being published by Black Privilege, which is dope. Yeah, man, we definitely gonna tap into this book by 2 Chainz, man, our ATL brethren, yeah, we're gonna get back with you, man. When we're ready to do dope read, you're gonna sit and read with me. Follow along. You can use it as an audio version of the book, and in my own words, and we can do interpretations of what we think about what each chapter meant. What you think about that? So yeah, can't wait to tap into this book. This is the back cover. There's no images throughout the book, but I'm sure. Oh man, it looks like it looks like some good stuff. I'm looking at the names of the chapters. Yeah. Looking at the names of the chapters is good. One of the names of the chapters, it says, "Shoot him in the stomach and let God decide." Oh, snap. I wonder what that's about. Let's see. I'm just skipping around. Starship on Old National. Women are born superheroes. Yeah, we're gonna tap into this book, man. It's gonna be a dope read, man. But check this out, man. If you haven't purchased this book, I suggest you purchase this book. It's by 2 Chainz. It's called The Voice in My Head is God. And we'll be back with you sooner than later. And if you made it this far in the video, leave a fire down in the comments. We're off to the next one.